This is the story of your life, the day you came across a true living prophet. I will show you. On this day last year, November, I was pointing at the price of Bitcoin. Can you see? It's 68,000, and I was saying go and invest because Trump is about to win the election and is going to moon. Watch this. Bitcoin is following the same trajectory. It's all green past 1 month. Why? A lot of people believe that Trump will win. So now listen. If Trump wins, Bitcoin will moon, Trump coin will moon, Dogecoin will moon. Dogecoin is the one that Elon Musk is supporting. This is the crypto market as of today, but actually after I said that, right, 2 days after I said that, Bitcoin shot up to 104,000 from 64 to 104,000 because who? Trump won. Okay, Bitcoin is dropping now. I'll tell you why it's dropping and what you should do. Now that Bitcoin is dropping, it's the best time to invest because you will regret it in less than 7 days. You have 1 week between now and 7 days to complete your investment on crypto. All right, if you want to benefit from what's going to happen. So if you want to invest, do exactly this. Don't go anywhere else. And even if you have not ever invested in crypto, don't do any other thing. Do what I'm going to tell you. But before I tell you, can you first acknowledge that I was 100% right? My update is 100% accurate. I know do you understand? And this was when I was making this update when the prediction platform we built it, we're using it, is still private. Now we've made it public, is on investorpath.org. It tells you which crypto will perform well and how it will perform. Let me show you. And if you don't know how to access it, inbox me, all right, send me a message and I'll show you. But I'll show you first. Watch this. This is my dashboard on investorpath.org. It's showing me cryptos and how they'll perform. Crypto and how they'll perform. Crypto and how they'll perform. You see? Now, if you look here, it tells you how many times it will grow. This one is growing by 1 time. So if you invest 1 million, it's estimating that in 3 months to 1 year, it will become 2 million. That's what it means. Okay, this one will grow twice. But that's about 3 million, right? But this one is growing 76 times. 76. That means you invest 1 million. This prediction is saying that this particular crypto will grow 76 times. That means you come out with 76 million naira or $1 million. Now imagine that you invested, you just closed, instead of buying that car, you invested that money, 20 million, 50 million you would have used to buy that liability of a car this year into crypto. Now, the reason this platform is unique is because the updates are 100%, right? It's because it advises you to split your income. So even though this one is 76, right? Prediction. The platform advises you don't put all your money here out of greed. This is not sports betting. It's investment, so you go with sense. So that 1 million you have now, you can put 300,000 here, 500,000 here, 200,000 here, something like that. You understand? So the one you have more confidence, you put more, but don't put all your investment in one place. You get? So if this one grows 76 times, you may not get that 76 million because now you put 500,000. So you get somewhere around 35 million. It's okay. This one will grow times 1.3. This one will grow times 1. It's okay. Do you understand? Compared to losses, right? Losses. Let's say you put all your money here and something happens and this crypto is gone. You get back to zero. Now, on this platform, there's no crypto like that. There's no crypto that will disappear like that was listed. This platform handpicked the perfect best cryptos for you. Some people say, I want to learn crypto. There is nothing to learn. Visit the platform, log in. As you can see, the URL is here. You see? Log in. Once you are done with your registration, it will give you an option to buy this list. Based on your budget, because during registration, it's going to ask you about your budget. Based on that budget, it will calculate and get the best cryptos for you. The crypto it will give you is not the same with the one it will give me. This one is based on my budget now. So in crypto, the higher the budget, the better. For instance, if I invest 1 million naira in this and it does 1 times growth, okay, that's 2 million naira. It's not much. But if I invested like 50 million, for instance, it will do, this is 100 million. Just growing by 1 time, 100 million. That's a lot of money. So crypto, you make more money if you invest more. So the whole risk of investing in crypto, not knowing what to do, your money will disappear. This platform takes away all that risk. Gives you high degree of confidence. If you click on this now, the evidence is there. Why is this prediction 76? For instance, you don't know, right? If you click on the name on the platform, it takes you to the page for this coin where you will see how it has been performing since. You will see where to buy it. For some of you that don't know where to, you're asking for exchange. The exchanges are listed on that. Once you click, you'll see where to buy it. If you've never bought crypto, don't worry. You just click on this invest button. You see this button? After buying this list, you click on invest. It will give you step-by-step guide. You should be done in 2-3 minutes because it's no hard. You understand? You go to the exchange, create an account. After creating your account, you transfer money from your bank account to the exchange. And then you can now start converting that money in your exchange into these coins. Within 3 to 5 minutes, you are done. You go and sleep. In the next 7 days, something interesting will happen. Watch my next video for it. I don't want to mix the two. Make sure you watch this, share it. Some people are having money, they don't know what to do. They're trying to buy land where they will cheat them. They will trick them. You go and buy the same land that 5 other people have bought. Now all of you are fighting. Or you buy land, they will hold you and say, okay, now go. When you now want to build it, they will tell you you've not settled the youth in the village. Voila. You go and settle youth. You want to build, they say no. You've not settled the Igwe of the community. You go and settle Igwe. You want to, they say no. That government road is passing on this land. Who even sold the land to you? I'm not saying don't buy land though, but I'm saying that out of all the possible investments you will do this year, crypto is going to be the biggest. The evidence will be in 2 weeks. Let me show you. I want to say it now so that in 2 weeks' time, when I come back, people will confirm that the true prophet really lives in this country. Look at me. I'm a prophet, senior prophet. Crypto, Bitcoin is 89 today. It will possibly go down, maybe to 85, who knows, right? But in 2 weeks' time, boom, it will go shoot to the moon. And when it shoots, a number of other cryptos are going with it. Everybody that invested in Investor Path between now and the next 2 weeks, testimonies everywhere. You will see it before the end of this month. This is January what? I think we're in January 13th. Today is 13th, 2025. Let it be on record. Go and invest in crypto. Don't say I did not cut soap for you. Now, just go to this website, investorpath.org, not .com or .org. Register. If you don't have access to this link, go to my page. Click on there to chat me up on WhatsApp. Inside my WhatsApp, you will see the link to Investor Path. Go there. If you have any question, just chat me up. I'm right there to help. Just drop a message on my WhatsApp. I will reply you before the day runs out. You know, any question, if you are totally new, if you have never invested in crypto, is this site safe? Some people will screenshot some sites and I'll say, yeah, it's safe. If it's not safe, I'll say, avoid this. You understand? Once you have your list, you are now armed with knowledge on what to invest in. This list now, just see it as land. All right? This one is just normal crypto lists. Some of them are doing bad, as you can see. But in 2 weeks, there will be a big boom in crypto industry. That's what our machine is predicting. All right? You want to be among the people that will benefit in that 2 weeks' time. You know, reach 2 weeks, around 7 days. So see you in the next video. If you have questions, ask them. Don't ignore those people that are typing rubbish in the comments. I've been blocking them because we can't be talking about things that will make people multi-millionaires, and idiots are coming to comment in the comments. If I see your leg there, I don't block you.